Hi, my name's Fleer Ellen and I'm your Plaid Cymru candidate here in Pontypridd. Wales faces grave risks as we head into this election. Our economy, our communities and even our identity are under threat by a Conservative Party who have consistently cut funding to vital services, cuts which have had the biggest impact on the poorest and most vulnerable in our society. Meanwhile in Wales we've been sidelined, underfunded and let down time and time again by Westminster. We have higher unemployment rates than in England, and the difference in wealth between areas of southern England and Wales is disgusting. And where's the opposition been by Welsh MPs in Westminster? Labour are weak and divided, and our own MP here in Pontypridd has missed about 40% of the votes over the past year. Plaid Cymru, on the other hand, stand ready to defend Wales. We need to make sure that in light of the EU referendum, whether you voted in or out, we come together to defend Wales. We have to make sure that we don't lose out when we lose EU funding, but that it comes straight back to us from Westminster. Plaid Cymru is the only party who will always put Wales first, who will secure a better deal for Wales, one that lets us adequately resource our NHS, improve the quality of teaching, ensure access to housing and raise the standards of living. So on June the 8th, vote to defend Wales. Vote Plaid Cymru.